like this. So in a similar way, you can try the other operators. So just I will show you a few more. That is difference between slash and then the thing. So let me clean the value of, let me take another value. Z is equal to D. So now I can say X by Z. So here let me call it as result. So division of X by Z is result. So this is the division where the value will be a fraction. In this case, you can see I am trying to divide X, which is 10, by Z, which is 3. So it's 3.3. If I use the same thing with double slash, this is division. So this is with the slash. If I want to do the same thing with double slash, so this is floor division. You can see the difference. See, it would be 10 by 3 is 3, because 10 point by 3 is 3.3, but it is going to take, if I use double slash, it's going to take only the integer part, that is the 3. It is going to ignore the after the decimal place, right? So that's how it is. And then other than that, you have percentage and double slash star. So the percentage, anyways, you people know like how to use minus, star and all. So just let me show few of the things like modulus. Modulus is X percent Z. So X percent Z modulus, which is percent modulus of X by Z is result. So the remainder, right? So x is 10, 10 by 3, the remainder 3 threes are is 9, and then the remainder is 1. That is what is the remainder we are going to be getting. We will be getting the remainder as 1. So in this way we can use, and then the power exponentiation. So if I say 10 to the power 3, that is 10 into 10 into 10. So that's power, or exponentiation, exponent of x with 3 z. So it will be 1000. Like this, we can use the arithmetic operator. So let me take up the other operator.